Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at the B chord. So this one, we would start our pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. That would be at the root. And then what we would do is we would bar the D, the G, and the B string with our ring finger. Now we kind of looked at this concept with the A chord, where we would use our pointer finger up to cover up those 3 strings. So if we play these 4 strings together, that gives us a B. Now if you've been playing a guitar for a while, you probably built up some finger strength, where you're able to cover those 3 fingers, those 3 strings with 1 finger. Another way you can look at the B string. Another way you can look at playing a B chord is on the 7th fret, where your E root is here. So on the thickest string, you would count to the 7th fret. For some guitars, it's the 3rd dot. And we would be taking an E shape, but not playing an E with our pointer finger, middle, and ring. Now we would be playing an E where our middle finger is on that G string on the 1st fret, and then our ring finger on the 2nd fret of the A, and then pinky on the D string. So if you play an E like that, then you'd be able to play your B right here. So give it a shot and let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe on the video, and yeah, check it out on the channel. Have a great day.